everybody, it's Tonjia Atomic, and I'm already looking back because I am really excited about this, but I'm super excited about unboxing my Ipsy subscription bag. Ipsy is a monthly subscription box that is about $10 a month, and it comes with usually 5 products and a makeup bag every month. And it's always a super good deal too, because you get way more than you would for $10 if you're buying individual products. I also purchased BADgal Bang from Benefit because I love their some of their other mascaras, and I've never tried this one. And you can pick this up for $3. The full size one is usually about $25, I believe. So I'm picking up a sample for $3. The samples last, at least for the Benefit samples, last for several times. I've been using I've been using their Real, and I've probably used it 10 or 11 times, and there's still product in it. So I think that's pretty nice. So for $3, I think that's pretty nice. So I went ahead and got that. That's one thing you can do, so you can add to your bag each month if you want to buy full-size products or you want to try other samples. You can buy them on the website, and sometimes at a discount as well. So this is this month's bag. It's really cute. I really like the color. I like this forest green. And inside it's pink, hot pink. So that's a really cute combination with a gold zipper. Inside they always give you this little guy that tells you, I'm not going to look even. It tells you what's inside, but I'm just going to use that for the description below later. So let's see what is in this month's Ipsy bag. Let's see. ADESSE. I don't know if I'm saying that right because I've actually never used this brand. ADESSE or ADESSE. All Day Lip Cream. Let's see. I think this is a full size. That's the other thing. You get a lot of full size. This is a full size. That is super nice. That is super nice. Okay. I'm going to swatch that for you. Don't mind these. That was from another video I did. I am wearing Pac Man Wet n Wild makeup on my face. And I'll link that video below once it comes out, because it isn't out yet. So that's a nice kind of mauve, like mid to darkish mauve. I actually really like that color. And I think I have another lipstick that's similar to that, but more pinky. So that'll be nice. Then Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. So I'm gonna have mascara for days, which it's not a bad thing because I really like these sample size that match my nails. I like these sample size because mascara supposedly goes bad, I think 6 to 8 months. And I know that it gets bacteria in it because when you use it and it's out in the air and you put it on your lash, touch your lash or whatever, and there's microbes or whatever, you put it back. And so apparently, I think it's 6 to 8 months they go bad and you're supposed to throw them away. And also they dry up and stuff, so you can't really use them for that long. So these sample sizes are perfect because I don't wear makeup every single day. But I do wear makeup for special occasions, when I go out, when I do videos, when I'm acting. So this is perfect to have a, I'm just going to open it up here. Whoa, did you hear that sound? That was neat. Anyway, okay, so it's got an interesting kind of brush there. And it is a sample size, but it is not super small, and I really think they're the perfect size. Now what is next? let's see, what is this? Nanette LEPORE. Beautiful things. Oh my goodness. I'm like, I can't believe this. Oh, that is nice. Okay, so it's a fragrance. And it's a sample size fragrance, but if anybody has ever gotten those teeny weeny sample size fragrances, you know that they do last a while. And this is very tall for a sample. Whoa! And there's a lot in there, I can tell. A lot sprayed out. I don't know if you saw that. Let's try it again. I'm like scared. I'm like, whoa! Oh my God. That is a lot. There's a lot of product in this. It's 0.34 fluid ounces. I have actually paid for perfume that's 1 ounce. So that is a pretty hefty size. And it smells good. Okay, I'm going to break my rule. And I'm actually going to read about this because to me it's like slightly floral and it has almost a honey scent. Or like sunflowery. Oh, here we go. Mandarin, violet, and caramelized sugar. Wow. Yeah, it has a warm scent. I really like this. So it's Nanette LEPORE Beautiful Times. Jelly Shot Lip Quencher from INC.REDIBLE. Wow. And it is called X Revenge. Whoa. Okay. I'm not showing you, sorry. This is why it's so mystifying to me. It's just this little teeny tiny white tube. Oh, it's a little teeny tiny mini flower jelly balm. That is so cute. Okay, it looks maybe like you can't tell what size. Well, look at my hands. Look at it next to my lip. So teeny. Let's compare it to this. It's teeny, but it's cute. I mean, it's darling. It's doll lipstick. Okay, so it's teeny tiny. It's a sample size. So this is full size. This is sample size. But again, I have seen sample sizes that are half the size. So, but let's try to swatch it and see if it. Sometimes they pH. That looks clear. It looks clear. I don't really see any pH going on. Okay, so it's clear. Has a good feel to it. It's like a balm that is not waxy. It's more slippery, like a lip gloss kind of feel almost, but not sticky. So it does have a good feel to it. I was just thinking, since it was one of those little jellies, that it also had changed your pH. Okay, so there is actually one more thing, and I feel like I've got tons of things in here that are super exciting. This is a super exciting bag. I really like this one. So Estate eyeshadow, and it says cruelty free, and I believe it is vegan. I don't see, I can't read all the ingredients, but I think it is vegan. Let's take a look. Oh, it's in the shade Smash. So it's sort of a like a coppery red, like a burgundy, well, like a coppery, like a bricky coppery. I like that. Anyway, that's everything in my Ipsy bag. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoy this, because I'm going to unbox all my Ipsys in video form on YouTube for you guys. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video, and thanks for watching.